So here's the box, and it's a lovely packaged box. I'm really impressed with packaging because I've got a lot of Apple products and I'm really impressed when they package them up as neatly as this. So what have we got in the box? How do we get it out? We have the transceivers, we have the windshield, we have two cables, we have the SC cable, and then a pouch. What I did have to buy though, in addition, because of using it with the iPhone, is the converter cable, and I'll give the details to that as well. Another beautifully packaged box there that you have to tear here to open. So let's get stuck into this packaging. Okay, instructions. Whoever uses instructions. Quick start guide. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice touch. I like that a lot. Transmitter, receive, and then join them. Oh, wow, these are tiny. Absolutely tiny. So tomorrow, another reason I mentioned in the intro for buying these is that I have an interview tomorrow with the winner of the UK Apprentice 2015, Mr. Mark Wright. So I thought I would test these out on Mark for our interview. There's the standard charging cable for USB, identical as far as I can work out. Again, this is a really nice touch. These weren't cheap, £150 to $180 I'm guessing, but really nice touch are these Velcro things, whereas the £50, £60 alternatives, I would imagine, would just be a rubber band there. So that's lovely. Really impressed with that. How do we get these off? We clip them. These clip into the cradle at the top of the DLR camera as well. DSLR, whatever they call them. And each one, the transmitter and the receiver, has one. From the iPhone, I'm probably going to have to just let it dangle. So we've got that, we've got the furs, and the windshields. Complimentary silicone, don't eat that kids. Instructions, and then the cable and pouch as mentioned before. So now what I'm going to do is charge them up, and I'll check back in once that bit's done before I switch them on. So it's all unboxed and it's plugged up. The iPhone is plugged up. I've got the Lightning to audio jack converter plugged in, and then into an SC7 cable, which is a TRS to TRRS cable. It's very similar to the one that comes in the packet, but this is for the DSLR cameras, so it doesn't work with the iPhone. I don't know about Android phones, probably similar as well, because it's a microphone jack into the mobile phone. And then the receiver side of the Rode Wireless Go is plugged in there. I'll just show you the cable set up for a second. And yeah, that's how it's all plugged up together. It's all plugged into the iPhone. The other end is just here in front of me on the desk, actually, because I don't have a lapel to put it on my chest. It's just on the desk. So you can see that the sound is absolutely incredible, crystal clear. I'm really impressed with this bit of kit. Interesting story, when I was going to interview Mark Wright in London, and I didn't have the SC7 cable, so I was searching online. Nobody could deliver it from Amazon online in the time that I had. It was less than 24 hours. So as I was on the train down to London, I was searching Google for loads of different places in London, that camera shops, etc., that would potentially sell this, and nobody had it. So I literally had to get off the tube. I'd got an hour before meeting Mark when I got off the train from Cheltenham to London. And so I just dropped into a couple of camera shops on Tottenham Court Road, and amazingly a shop did have it. It was twice the price which you'd expect in the centre of London. It was twice the price of the Amazon product, but I needed it. And then I set everything up when I got into his office, tested it. It was all plugged in fine, absolutely perfect. But then when we started the interview, it didn't record the audio. So I'd got the video, but luckily for me, I had my old iPhone 6 plugged in with a lavalier mic on me, And what I had to do was, that recorded perfectly. What I had to do was I found someone from Fiverr to take the audio from the iPhone 6, reduce me slightly, increase Mark's voice, and then blend it in with the video as well. So it cost me a little bit of money to do that, and I was just really hacked off that, you know, when you have that sinking feeling when you get the recording, and it was a 45-minute recording and interview, and I'd gone down to London for it. I was just gutted, but thankfully it's worked out okay. The audio isn't perfect from the video, but if you check out my YouTube channel, then you'll see one of the previous videos, Back to the Future series videos. You'll see the Mark Wright interview, and the sound quality is not ideal, but it's not from the Rode Wireless Go. So anyway, you can hear that this is perfect audio. I thoroughly recommend this product, and I'm really impressed with it. I'll put in the show notes below, I'll put the link to the product on Amazon, and obviously it's an affiliate link, and if you buy through that affiliate link, then obviously I'll get a small commission from it. So I can highly recommend this, and yes, please go ahead and purchase. And I look forward to giving you further reviews if I do buy any tech or gadgets in future.